In this video, I'm going to talk about how to find the inverse of a matrix with a Gauss-Jordan row reduction. So basically the idea in order to find the inverse of a matrix is to put the identity matrix on the right hand side of a matrix, of the matrix you started with, of the original matrix, and then compute in order to try to get the identity matrix on the left hand side, and then get the values you use to do so on the right hand side. The ones on the right hand side are going to become the inverse matrix, and we're going to be happy. So I'm just going to show you. Well, I know that it doesn't actually make sense the way I explained it, but I'm just going to show you, and it's all going to be, all going to make sense very soon. So let's suppose we have this matrix here, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, -3, -8, which is our matrix A. What I basically said is that we want to have the identity matrix. We're going to write the identity matrix on the right hand side, and then do all the steps in order to get the identity matrix on the left hand side and find all those values. So this is what I mean. 101, 132, 1, -3, -8. So this is our matrix. But now we're gonna add the identity matrix, which is the matrix with 1 in the main diagonal and 0 everywhere else. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is the main diagonal. And now we're just going to use the Gauss-Jordan row reduction in order to basically bring these identity matrix, on the left hand side, and therefore we're going to find the other values here, which are going to be the values of our inverse. So let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna do the second minus the first. The second minus the first. And again, I made videos about the Gauss-Jordan row reduction again, so I strongly suggest you to see them before seeing this video. So the second minus the first one. Second minus the first one is gonna give me well, the first one is going to stay the same. 0, 0. Then I'm going to have the second one minus the first one. So 0, 3, 1, -1, 1, 0. And this one is going to stay the same. -3, -8, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now I'm going to do the third one minus the first one. So the third one minus the first one. Okay, the third one minus the first one. I cannot squeeze it here, so I'm going to go here. Okay, so the third one minus the first one. So this is gonna give me the third one minus the first one. It's gonna give me 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. It's gonna be the same. 0, 3, 1, -1, 1, 0 is gonna be the same. And then we have the third one minus the first one. So this is gonna become 0, -3, -9, -1, 0, 1. Okay, and now I'm gonna I'm gonna get rid of so I'm gonna multiply the second by 1/3, because I want this to be 1. So I'm gonna get 1 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, and I'm sorry, 0, 1, 1/3, negative 1/3, 1/3, 0. And then we have 0, negative 3, negative 9, negative 1, 0, 1. Okay. And then I'm gonna multiply the third one by negative 1. Multiply, I'm gonna change the sign. So the third one by negative 1. So I kind of squeeze it here, so I'm gonna go here once again. So the third one by negative 1 is gonna be, okay, 101, 100, so 0, 1, 1/3, negative 1/3, 1/3, 0, 0, 3, 9, 1, 0, negative 1. And then I'm gonna do the third minus 3 times second. Okay, so the third minus 3 times the second. So it's gonna be 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Minus 3 times second. No, it's gonna, if this one is gonna stay the same. 1, 1/3, negative 1/3, 1/3, 0. And then the third one minus 3 times the second one, so it's gonna be 0, 0, 8, 2, negative 1, negative 1. Okay, so now I'm gonna multiply. I'm gonna want to get rid of the 8. So I'm gonna multiply the third one by 1 over 8. So once again, I kind of squeeze it here, so I'm gonna go here. So the first one is gonna stay the same, 1, 0, 1, and again 1, 0, 1. I said 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1/3, negative 1/3, 1/3, 0, and then I'm gonna have multiplied by 1 over 8, so 0, 0, 1, 2 over 8, which is gonna be 1 over 4, negative 1 over 8, negative 1 over 8, and 2 negative 1. And now I'm just gonna simplify. Let me just simplify and write it in a, like, because of this. 101, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1/3, negative 1/3, 1/3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 over 4, so 1/4, negative 1, 8, negative 1, 8, 1 over 8. Okay. So now we're getting closer. I'm gonna do the first minus the third. The first minus the third one. See if I can just put it here. So the first minus the third one. So it's gonna be 1, 0, 0, 3 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 8, 0, 1, 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 over 4, negative 1 over 8, negative 1 over 8. Here's my matrix. And well, let me just, okay. And now I'm gonna multiply the second one by 3 so that I can get rid of this fraction here, this 1/3. And I'm gonna do other operations because I don't really want to do this with the fraction there. So 1, 0, 0, 3 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 8, 0, 3, 1, negative 1, 1, 0, and then we have 0, 0, 1, 1 over 4, negative 1 over 8, negative 1 over 8. So now I'm just gonna multiply. No, I'm gonna do no, I just multiplied. I'm gonna do the second minus the third. So the second minus the third, I'm gonna turn the paper here, the piece of paper here, unfortunately. So let me just memorize it. The second minus the third, second minus the third, second minus the third, second minus the, well, let me just rewrite it. Okay, the second minus the third, so the first one is gonna stay the same, and it was 1, 0, 0, 3 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 8, and then we're gonna have the second one minus the third one. So the second one minus the third one, second one minus third one, second one minus third one. Okay, second one is the third one, second one is the third one. Okay, so this is gonna be 0, 3, 0, negative 5 over 4, 5 over 4, 9 over 8, and 1 over 8. And then the other is going to stay the same, so it's going to be, okay, so this is going to stay the same. 0, 0, 1, 1 over 4, negative 1 over 8, and negative 1 over 8. So this is like our new matrix. We're really getting closer. So we just have to multiply. We just want to get rid of this to have the identity matrix here. So we're just going to multiply the second by 1 over 3. So 1/3. And this way you're going to get rid of this annoying 3. 1, 0, 0, 3 over 4, 3 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 8. Then we have 0, 1, 0, negative 5 over 12, 9 over 24, and 1 over 24. And finally we have 0, 0, 1, 1 over 4, negative 1 over 8, and negative 1 over 8. Okay, so basically we can call it a day and say mission complete, but I can simplify a little bit farther because they're linear. Well, there is this 9, 24. So I just want to simplify it. Simply can reduce it. Can reduce it again, and I can get 1, 0, 0, 3 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 8, 0, 1, 0, negative 5 over 12, 3 over 8, 1 over 24, and then we have 0, 0, 1, 1 over 4, a negative 1 over 8, and negative 1 over 8. Okay, so this is basically what I meant when I said that we had to write down the identity matrix and then do, on the right hand side with a starting matrix A, then do all the row reduction, Gauss-Jordan row reduction steps in order to get the identity matrix here. This way, the matrix that we're going to get here is going to be our inverse. So this is how you find the inverse of a matrix.